Hello, nappers. Today, I will try to defeat this mustache man. I'm gonna try to defeat that mustache man, and this is my goal for now as a new player in Hearts of Iron Pearl. He is my goal for now. His head is my goal for now. I'm gonna produce a lot of infantry this time. I'm not gonna produce some tanks right now because no, I don't need some tanks. I don't need that. I need is a infantry equipment. I'm gonna try to do the what is it called? The strategy called quantity versus quality. I wonder what will win. Right now, I'm producing a lot of infantry equipment and the support equipment. Yeah, I'm still doing it. The artillery is good. I think I need to have something like that. The trucks is good. The airplanes and the cars, it's good. The convoy and the trains is good. Alright, alright. I need to have... Can I get to 200 at least? I think I can get to 200. I don't know about 300 infantry. Yo, what's happening to Finland, bro? What? Finland has been capitulated? Okay. I have 200 divisions right now. And I think I can get to 300 divisions before Germany declare a war against me. Now, my eastern side, it's good. It's being protected by my one and only divisions. Is Japan actually doing good in here? I think I should help them. I should cannot help them in a way. I cannot help them. Wow. I have so much commanders. I have so much commanders. Just don't mind me. Just don't mind me. I'm gonna use my calculator. And I wanna know how much or how many divisions do I have. 33 plus 25 plus 191 plus 39. I have 288 divisions. Okay. 300 divisions, I can accomplish it. Is the Warsaw Pact? Okay, I cannot justify on Hitler. Should I justify? Of course, I should justify on Hitler. This time, I will be the one who's invading him. No, bro, you cannot match my 300 divisions. No, bro, you cannot match my 300 divisions. Germany is stacking its military in Romania. Well, this is actually my weakest side, so I'm gonna try to put more divisions there. Justification of conquering for Soviet Union is finished. Am I ready? That's the thing. Am I ready for a war against Germany? That is my question. And my question is, and the answer to my question is, I'm not very confident in Romania, but I'm very much confident in here. So, can I have more divisions, please? The time has come. USSR has broke the Molotov. Am I somehow breaking through? That is my questions. Come on, breakthrough, breakthrough. It's 89 now. There's win. Breakthrough. Oh, it's now 82. What? It's not my intro. I don't know what the hell is happening. I see a lot of greens, but I don't see any improvement. That's the thing. In here, Germans. Wow, 100. Did the breakthrough finally happen? No, it's still not happening. I have a breakthrough, but they have a breakthrough as well. As well. Oh, the Germans have broken through my defenses. Wow. I'm being pushed back. I want you to go in there. Yes, please. Bro. How the hell can I not win against Germans? That is my question. How the hell can I not win against Germans? I have a lot of divisions. Yep, I'm just gonna let it crumble again. You know, me, bro. Just me. Just fucking me, bro.